and welcome to the CAT Next Gen Excavator Day. I'm Akanksha Chaturvedi, Head of Corporate Strategy for Gainwell, and I have the privilege of being your host for today's event. Allow me to begin by thanking you for joining us in this first of its kind virtual event. Our most grateful welcome to our esteemed customers and the entire Caterpillar family whose constant support and trust have brought us to this celebration. We also welcome our Gainwell family members who are joining us from across the country today. Even though these times are far from normal, we step into the new normal with our standard practice of a safety briefing. As this is a virtual program and we are all attending the event from either our offices or homes, I request you to please take a minute to look at your surroundings and identify if there are any potential hazards. Please also identify the nearest evacuation route in case of an emergency at your place. Our journey has been an exciting one, and none of this would have been possible without the guidance and leadership of our Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Sunil Chaturvedi. I'd request our CMD to please take the virtual stage and share our aspirational journey with all.
नमस्कार, कैटरपिलर और गेनवेल की तरफ से मैं आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। आज हम सब यहां एकत्रित हुए हैं एक कैटरपिलर की लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी मशीन का विमोचन करने के लिए और उस मशीन को आप सबको सौंपने के लिए। यह हम सब के लिए बड़े सौभाग्य की बात है कि आज हम सब सुरक्षित और हम सब के परिवार सुरक्षित इस घटना में इसमें शामिल होने का हमको मौका मिल रहा है। इस वैश्विक महामारी में हमारी सबसे पहले इस प्रोग्राम के शुरू में ही आपके लिए और आपके सारे परिवार के लिए, आपके समस्त कर्मचारियों के लिए अच्छे स्वास्थ्य की हम कामना करते हैं। आपको याद होगा कि पिछले साल कैटरपिलर ने एक और मीडियम एक्सकेवेटर रेंज में एक नई मशीन हम लोग लेके आए थे जो कि बहुत सफल रही, और अब आज हम जिस मशीन का विमोचन करने वाले हैं उससे एक्सकेवेटर रेंज में पूरी प्रोडक्ट रेंज हमारी यहाँ इंडिया में उपलब्ध हो गई है। ये हम सब के लिए बड़ी खुशी की बात है क्योंकि हमें पता है कि किस तरह का कमिटमेंट राष्ट्र निर्माण के लिए आप सभी का है। उस सब से हम प्रभावित हुए हैं। इन 5-6 महीने में जब कोरोना पूरी ज़ोर से हमारे देश को और सारे विश्व को प्रभावित कर रहा था, उस समय हमने देखा कि आप सब हमारे कस्टमर्स देश निर्माण के कार्य में लगातार लगे रहे। तो आपके इस कर्मठता से, आपके इस कमिटमेंट से प्रेरित होके ये मशीन आई है जो कि न केवल बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत प्रोडक्टिव है, लेकिन इसमें तेल की खपत भी बहुत कम है और इसकी मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट भी बहुत कम है, जिसके बारे में हम सभी लोग अभी सुनेंगे। इस मशीन को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आप सब जिससे इसका पूरा लाभ उठा सकें, गेनवेल की पूरी जो सर्विस टीम है वो आपके सामने है, आपके पास उपलब्ध रहेगी। हम लोगों की कोशिश ये है कि कुछ घंटे के भी अंदर देश के किसी भी कोने में जहां आपको पार्ट्स की ज़रूरत है वो पहुंच जाए और सर्विस जब भी आप चाहें ऑन डिमांड उपलब्ध हो। हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे डिजिटल नए इनिशिएटिव लिए हैं जिससे आप घर बैठकर ऑनलाइन पार्ट्स ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं, ऑनलाइन सर्विस ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं और हमारे लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम का हिस्सा भी बन सकते हैं। मेरी शुभकामनाएं हैं आप सभी के साथ और मैं चाहता हूं कि जैसा कि इस मशीन का स्लोगन है डिग मोर प्रॉफिट, आप इस एक्सकेवेटर को यूज़ करेंगे, लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी को एंजॉय करेंगे और भी ज़्यादा लाभान्वित होंगे। मैं दोबारा आप सभी को इस महामारी में आपको, आपके परिवार को और आपके समस्त कर्मचारियों को और उनके परिवारों को अच्छे स्वास्थ्य की कामना हम लोग हमेशा करते रहेंगे। नमस्कार।
Thank you very much, sir. As you know, for the last 75 years, our focus has been building the foundation of our nation together with Caterpillar for our next century of progress. A key partner in our journey towards progress has been Mr. John Fallows, Managing Director, Sales and Marketing for Caterpillar Asia Pacific. Sir, may I invite you to the virtual stage to share your thoughts with our audience.
Hello, I'm John Fallows, and I'm the Managing Director for Sales and Marketing for Caterpillar in Asia Pacific. Thank you for joining us today at the CAT Excavator Day. We're really excited to be part of the growth story, the success story in India, inspired really by the massive investments that the government of India is making in infrastructure. Caterpillar is investing significantly in our manufacturing footprint as well as in our product development. And we're pleased to showcase to you our 3 made in India, made for India hydraulic excavators, the 323 D3, the 320 D3, and the newly released 320 D3 Gc product. These products are designed to help you maximize your profitability. Whether your needs are in the highest productivity levels, best fuel efficiency, lowest maintenance and repair costs, Caterpillar is the right product for you. And supported by our excellent network of dealers nationwide who can support your product support requirements, and our in-house financing company, Cat Finance. Really, we have the best solution for you. Thank you again for joining us, and we very much look forward to doing business with you and supporting you as you maximize your profitability.
Thank you, Mr. Fallows. The world around us is changing constantly, brimming with new ideas, technology, and systems. Together with Caterpillar, we've been harnessing our innovation potential while strengthening our contribution to the nation's core infrastructure growth. We welcome Mr. Giacomo Bottone, Global Director, Medium Excavator Products, to our event. Sir, may I kindly request you to share your thoughts with us today?
I'm Giacomo Bottone, the Global Director in Caterpillar for Medium Excavator. It is a pleasure to share my perspective with you today. As you know, we are seeing continuous changes around the globe. Our customers are experiencing strong increase on operating costs, new standards created by the legislator, and a society that demands safer, environmentally sound products. That is the reason why we at Caterpillar embark on continuous product development to provide you the best solution to do your job. The excavator division has been investing in India for decades. In the last several years, we invest tens of millions of dollars in capacity and products to ensure we bring to the customer in India the best solution. Clearly, we are committed to the long-term success of India. I'm proud also of the 320 D3 and 323 D3 we launched in India 18 months ago. And now we are ready to introduce a new variant, the 320 D3 Gc, which is designed in India, made for India, and built in India. This product is designed to provide the best cash payback and have a solution for all the customers in India. It is a pleasure to connect with you and see you at the job site. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bottone. At Gainwell, we believe our innovation focus has enabled us to stay relevant amid shifting stakeholder expectations and market dynamics, ensuring Gainwell's position as a total solutions provider. May I now invite Mr. Manav Kohli, Chief Operating Officer, CI from Gainwell, to share his vision for the future.
गेनवेल के सभी माननीय कस्टमर्स को मेरा नमस्कार। गेनवेल में हम ये विश्वास रखते हैं कि हम अपने कस्टमर्स को ऐसे सॉल्यूशंस दें जो उनकी ग्रोथ या प्रगति में सहायक हों। इसे हम गेनवेल में कहते हैं सॉल्यूशंस फॉर ग्रोथ। मुझे ये खुशी है कि आज हम आपके समक्ष ऐसा ही एक नया सॉल्यूशन लेके आए हैं जो कि है कैट 320 D3 GC हाइड्रोलिक एक्सकवेटर। हर कैट मशीन की तरह इस मशीन की भी परफॉर्मेंस, रिलायबिलिटी और ड्यूरेबिलिटी तो अव्वल है ही, साथ ही इसे डिज़ाइन करते समय ये खास ख्याल रखा गया है कि इसका फ्यूल कंजम्पशन बहुत कम है। तो कैट 320 D3 GC एक ऐसी मशीन है जिसको चलाने का खर्चा कम है, जिसके रखरखाव का खर्चा भी कम है और जिसके खरीदने की कीमत भी आपके बजट के अनुकूल है। साथ ही मैं गेनवेल की तरफ से ये आपको कहना चाहूँगा कि आपको एक बेहतर सर्विस देने के लिए हम और भी तैयार हैं और भी तत्पर हैं। प्रोडक्ट लिंक की टेक्नोलॉजी के तहत हम आपकी मशीनों की हेल्थ को ऑनलाइन मॉनिटर कर सकते हैं और ज़रूरत अनुसार अपनी सर्विस आपके नज़दीक मुहैया करा सकते हैं। साथ ही आप हमारी फील्ड सर्विस मैनेजमेंट की ऐप अपने फ़ोन पर डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और आप जब चाहें या जब ज़रूरत महसूस करें अपनी सर्विस कंप्लेंट उसमें दर्ज कर सकते हैं ताकि हम तुरंत उस पर एक्शन ले सकें। हमारे बहुत सारे पार्ट्स आउटलेट आपके नज़दीकी क्षेत्र में उपलब्ध हैं, वहाँ से आप पार्ट्स ले सकते हैं। साथ ही हमने ये फैसिलिटी क्रिएट की है कि आप हमारे पार्ट्स ऑनलाइन ख़रीद के उसकी ऑनलाइन पेमेंट कर सकते हैं और इन पार्ट्स को हम आपके नज़दीक जल्द से जल्द पहुंचा सकते हैं। माननीय कस्टमर्स, आज मुझे ये विश्वास है कि 20 टन कैट 320 D3 GC हाइड्रोलिक एक्सकवेटर हम आपके बीच लेके आए हैं। ये अपनी कैटेगरी का बहुत ही बेहतरीन प्रोडक्ट साबित होगा और आपकी डिफरेंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स या आपकी डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशंस के लिए ये सूटेबल साबित होगा और डेफिनेटली आप अपनी ग्रोथ में, अपने बिजनेस को आगे बढ़ाने में इसे अत्यंत ही सहायक पाएंगे। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Mr. Kohli. Gainwell's dynamic relationship with Caterpillar is marked by mutual trust, performance and commitment to serve our customers, paving the way for our shared success in this country. It is our privilege today to have Mr. Bansi Panselker, Country Manager, Caterpillar India, joining us. Sir, may I please invite you to address our audience.
Caterpillar has been in India for the last 49 years. Next year we will be celebrating our Golden Jubilee. We are in 4 major manufacturing locations across the country. We have technology development centers. We have over 10,000 employees working for Caterpillar in India, and our dealers and their wonderful network is all at your disposal. We have always brought very good products and services. We are known for that worldwide. So today we are emphasizing our excellent range of world-class excavators. We are here in order to help you build your business and build India. And as we say in Caterpillar, let's do the work.
Now for the moment we have all been waiting for. With our Excavator series, we have the opportunity to proudly support some of the biggest infrastructure projects in the country, including the Purvanchal Expressway, the Rohtak-Jind Road project, the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, among many others. It is our pleasure today to introduce the Made in India excavator variant, the 320 D3 GC. It is my pleasure now to invite Mr. Gurman Reen, Director, Sales and Marketing India Region for Caterpillar, to our virtual stage to share his thoughts with our audience.
वेलकम टू कैटरपिलर नेक्स्ट जेन एक्सकवेटर डे। कैटरपिलर नेक्स्ट जेन एक्सकवेटर डे में आप सभी का स्वागत है। थैंक यू फॉर टेकिंग आउट टाइम टुडे फ्रॉम योर बिजी स्केड्यूल्स टू अटेंड दिस important मीटिंग। Today we want to take this opportunity to present our 3 models in the medium excavator portfolio in front of all of you. These 3 products have been made in India for your job site applications. We have 3 products which will suit your deadline, your job and your budget. We are very confident whatever be the application, whatever be the job that you are executing with the Caterpillar excavators, you will be able to dig more profit. The first model we have is called the 323 D3. This model is designed for best-in-class productivity. This model is equipped with a 1.2 cubic meter bucket. The next model we have is called the 320 D3, which is equipped with a range of 1 to 1.14 cubic meter bucket. The 320 D3 is a very popular model in our portfolio, and it is designed with the best balance between productivity and fuel consumption. The third model we are introducing today is called the 320 D3 Gc. This is equipped with a 1 cubic meter bucket, but it is designed with the lowest in class fuel consumption as well as the lowest in class operating cost. We are again very confident that whatever be your job, whatever be your budget, you will find a Caterpillar excavator which will fit right in and help you to dig more profit. With the help of our dealers, Gemco and Gainwell, we are there to support you in your business for whether it is one project or it is many projects. We have so many satisfied customers in India, just like we have satisfied customers all over the world. आप सबके सहयोग से we are growing very fast in India, and with the launch of these 3 products and many more products to come, we are very confident to grow with you and with this great country. Thank you so much. Namaskar. Stay safe.
Thank you, Mr. Reen. At Gainwell, our growth strategies include harnessing the power of disruptive technology to drive innovation forward. May I now invite Mr. Alok Kumar Tripathi, National Product Support Head Gainwell, to share his thoughts on our way forward.
Namaskar to all my customers. I hope everybody is doing fine. Friends, as we all know, Caterpillar manufactures world-class product, and these world-class products are backed by world-class services provided by the Caterpillar distribution like Gainwell in India. We at Gainwell today are having a complete bouquet of technology and digital aftermarket solutions. To begin with, the FSM app. This allows all our customers to connect with us instantly and register their concerns, queries, and get quick online solutions, resolutions of the issues. The other point that I will like to highlight is that all the Caterpillar machines are connected today. How does this connection help? What do we mean by this? Friends, it allows us to have a remote connectivity with these machines, and the tracking of the performance is very easy. We can therefore be far more proactive in terms of the equipment maintenance management, and necessary actions can be taken whenever there is an alert to ensure that there are no surprise breakdowns, there are no catastrophic breakdowns, and we can control our expenses in a much better way. The other point which I will like to mention here is that there is a digital service solution which we have launched recently. We call it VAST. This allows all our technicians who are working in the field on your machines at various locations to connect with the experts who are centrally placed and take all the assistance in terms of troubleshooting, resolving service issues whenever they need one. This allows us to do the repairs first time right, which in other words ensures that the machines are down for the minimum time that is possible. That has a direct impact on our customers' income and profitability. Friends, we have also launched our online part sales program. This allows all our customers to not only place orders online, but also pay online and also give your shipment instructions online. In my mind, this makes the job of the customers far more easier. You don't have to bother for picking up parts, sending your people, tracking things here and there. And therefore, I would encourage each of my customers to utilize the online part sales program very effectively and efficiently. Please also note that with every online sales, you will be earning points, and these points can be earned by enrolling yourself in the Gainwell customer loyalty program, which we call as the Samriddhi Club. These points can also be redeemed in your future purchases. Friends, we are working on various other initiatives like a facility for our customers to place order for the fast moving parts and consumables through a mobile phone. We are trying to partner with various logistic companies. We are trying to come out with a very structured parts on wheel program. All this is being done in order to ensure that the parts availability is better and can be far more efficient than what it is today. Friends, with that I will like to request each of you to take care, be safe, and wish you all the very best with the Caterpillar 320 D3 Gc. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Tripathi. Our Caterpillar next-gen excavators lead the industry in fuel efficiency, safety, and productivity. But let's take a walkabout and get to know more.
Introducing the next generation CAT 320 D3 GC hydraulic excavator. This 20-ton model is designed to work in any type of application and execute the job on time. CAT 320 D3 GC works efficiently by consuming just 11 to 13 liters of fuel per hour, and with a maintenance cost of Rs 48 per hour, it is the lowest in its size class. With a low initial purchase cost and lowest in-class maintenance cost, this machine is ideal if you are looking for an excavator with optimum productivity, best-in-class fuel savings, high reliability, and durability. 320 D3 GC comes with a 1 meter cube bucket, which is 1.28 meter wide with a dual curve design. The unique bucket design ensures a high fill factor, leading to better productivity. With a 5.7 meters boom, 2.25 meter stick, and a digging depth of almost 6 meter, 320 D3 GC is capable of handling any application with ease. The CAT 320 D3 GC is powered by a proven ALH series 6-cylinder engine, especially designed and configured for CAT excavator. It has a 5.76-litre engine producing 134 horsepower at the lowest speed of 1700 RPM. This engine has the lowest in-class overhaul cost. The lower engine speed and power density makes the engine more durable by increasing wear life of components and reducing stress. The mechanical fuel injection system is less sensitive to fuel quality and contamination, making troubleshooting easy with cost-effective repairs. The hydraulic system is tuned to deliver the best in segment power and dynamic flow. The highest in industry standard system pressure of 35 megapascal combined with 400 litre per minute of hydraulic flow results in enhanced performance. The hydraulic system comes with features like lower pump speed, optimized dynamic flow settings, high-performance filtration and contamination prevention measures to make it most efficient and durable. The new improved hydraulic return oil filter with bottom entry minimizes turbulence and sloshing, helps extend the filter and oil change interval, and reduce maintenance cost. The advanced pilot system eliminates the need of pilot pump and uses main hydraulic pump flow through a pressure reduction valve. This helps in reducing fuel consumption, maintenance cost, and increases durability. The CAT 320 D3 Gc Undercarriage is built to last. It features a heavy X-frame built using thick, high-grade steel plates, 600 mm wide triple grouser track shoes, 4.08 meter long track. Its grease-lubricated undercarriage rollers are sealed to keep dirt and debris out, minimize wear and tear, and extend the life of components no matter the terrain. The 320 D3 Gc comes with an ergonomically designed next-gen operator cabin, safe, spacious, quiet, and air-conditioned to ensure that the operator can work in comfort all day. The cabin is equipped with a monitor to clearly display fuel and oil levels and provide critical service alerts. The CAT 320 D3 Gc is powered by technology solutions like Product Link and Vision Link, offering remote access to machine operational data, health and security alerts. The CAT 320 D3 Gc not only gives you more profits per hour while working more than 3,000 hours annually, but also provides the best-in-class resale value when you decide to sell it off. The CAT 320 D3 Gc gives you the lowest maintenance cost per hour, lowest in-segment fuel consumption, which help you earn back the premium you paid within 1 year. What's more, with a wide dealer network and more than 200 branches across India, Caterpillar customers are assured of reliable, prompt after-sales support at your doorstep. The CAT 320 D3 Gc Hydraulic Excavator. Lower your cost per hour, dig more profit.
I now take the opportunity to invite Mr. Deepak Jolly, Head GCI and Major Accounts, to share his thoughts with us on this special occasion. Over to you, sir.
As is known worldwide, Caterpillar does not just produce the machines, but provides the total solutions to the customer and industry at large. Next-gen excavators, which are just meant to do that, add one more jewel with the introduction of new variant called 320 D3 Gc. While existing model 323 D3 is known for maximized production per hour in toughest of the tough conditions, and 320 D3 capable for efficient working in any construction job site, new variant 320 D3 Gc would be very special in its own league when it comes to low fuel cost and low maintenance cost. Gainwell Commercials is equally proud and privileged to be associated with these wonderful next-gen excavators, all manufactured in India for the specific need of Indian customers. Gainwell Commercials, with 100+ footprints, is totally ready to take care of these machines. These are very difficult times of pandemic. Please do take special care of yourself. We shall overcome, and we shall overcome fast. तब तक अपनी मशीन का और उससे भी कहीं अधिक अपना और अपनों का बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा।
Today, we are honored to have with us at our Unnati facility in Greater Noida our esteemed customers. Mr. Man Singh, Director, Shri Bohra Infratech Private Limited. Dinesh Ji, Director, Sarvangik Infra. Mr. Gajendra Singh, Sai Baba Media House Private Limited. Mr. Ajit Bhatti, AK Construction. Mr. Sagar Kataria, Sagar Realtech. Mr. Parminder Bhatti, Sunrise Developers. Thank you so much, sirs, for making time out of your busy schedules to be here with us in person today. It is our privilege and honor to offer you the keys to our latest machine. We have arrived at the last leg of the event, celebrating this very important milestone. May I request Mr. Sujoy Banerjee, Group Chief People's Officer and Head Marketing, for the vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining us on this momentous occasion and being part of our legacy journey. Your trust and confidence in us has been our biggest asset over the years. It's been a constant endeavor to serve you better and offer you the most innovative and productive solutions that suits your business. We at Gainwell are committed to offer you solutions for growth, and we try to do it year on year, day after day. Our sincere thanks to Caterpillar team for all their guidance and support to make this event a grand success. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank my internal marketing team who's worked tirelessly behind the scenes, the team of Akanksha, Kaif, Richpal and Ajit, who has made this event possible today. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, Sujoy sir. On behalf of Gainwell, I thank everyone for being a part of our event and supporting us in achieving this new milestone. Please feel free to connect with us on our virtual number or visit us at www.gainwellindia.com. Thank you everyone once again, and we hope to see you soon. Stay safe and have a great day.